Landing on an aircraft carrier is a complex and challenging maneuver, and while incidents do occur, they are relatively rare compared to the total number of landings. The U.S. Navy, for instance, has a very high success rate with thousands of landings each year. If an aircraft fails to catch one of the arrestor wires string across the landing area, LA, called a bolter, the pilot puts on full power and goes around for another try. It's frustrating and embarrassing for the pilot, but not really a big deal. If for whatever reason the pilot can't get aboard, he's either diverted to a shore base or an airborne tanker meets up with him to give him some more gas and a few more looks at the deck. The two worst-case scenarios are a ramp strike or a wire parting. If a plane is way too low on approach, it can possibly hit the aft end of the landing area, aka the round down or ramp. There is also the possibility of a wire breaking when a plane's hook catches it, in which case the airplane won't have enough airspeed to get airborne again and will probably dribble off the end of the flight deck and most likely into the water. Though this Hawkeye crew somehow managed to fly it away. Neither scenario is very common at all, but they do happen once in a while.